Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on a Dime. Today I am going to teach you how to make meatballs with tomato sauce. We are going to start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil on the stove and sauteing some sliced celery and sliced carrots. Season with salt and fresh ground pepper. Add 1 sliced leek and 1 sliced shallot. Stir till soft and fragrant. Add half a small can of tomato paste and allow it to cook down to get rid of some of that acidity. Add 1 can crushed tomatoes that has been seasoned with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Add 1 bay leaf. Bring to a boil, then allow to simmer on low for about an hour. While that simmers, we are going to make meatballs. Place 1 chopped white onion in a bowl. 1 package seasoned pork sausage meat, 1 pound lean ground beef, rip up some fresh thyme leaves, and some fresh rosemary. Season generously with Epicure burger spice. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then it's time to get dirty. Roll into meatballs and fry until you get a nice golden sear on each side. It's about here you want to check on your tomato sauce and add about 2 cups of chicken broth. Then we are going to add our meatballs directly to our tomato sauce.
Oh, fancy chef-ified. Make sure that those are
Lay the meatballs evenly, cover,
one sitting on top.
and bake in the oven at 325 for another 2 hours.
Then we need to turn the oven on.
Once finished, ladle generously over a heaping bowl of delicious fresh pasta and top with some grated Parmesan. And you have yourself a perfect bowl of pasta and meatballs. Stay tuned for next time, where I teach you how to make sloppy joes out of the leftovers from these meatballs, if you have any left.
Okay, good. And if you wouldn't mind tossing that in the oven for me.
If you like this video or even learned something, give it a like, hit the subscribe button. Go on, hit it. You know you want to.
And then you can turn that
Or
burner
if
off.
you have any suggestions of dishes you'd like to see me do in the future, please leave me a comment. And I will see you next time here on Cooking on a Dime.